the demands of the Bodo leaders were as unrelenting as they were belligerent.
The basic truth is that this Assam government, its officials, bureaucrats, ministers, policemen, all are anti-tribal. So whatever these economic packages or developmental schemes are sorted out or chalk out, this cannot be sincerely implemented in true sense. So this implementation is not possible under this anti-tribal government and its bureaucrats. So that is why the solution is the separation, the division of Assam and creation of separate state of Bodoland.
The central and state governments categorically refused further division of Assam, but agreed to a series of tripartite talks to defuse the volatile situation. The AGP state government, however, insisted that the then Congress government in the centre was encouraging the Bodos to the path of violence. They alleged certain central intelligence agencies of instigating the Bodo leaders to score political points against the state government.
It was a political game played by the Congress at the time, who ruled our country.
What do you mean when you say it was? What do you mean when you say it's a Congress game?
No, they instigated them to destabilize the AGP government here. Therefore, they started the agitation. Probably know that more than 9 plain tribes settled here. Because therefore, if you something you want to give Bodo people, then you must ready to give it to the Rabha, Missing, Karbi, Dimasha, Deuri, Tiwa, for these tribes also. Therefore, separate state or further division of Assam is not possible.
What do you mean when you say that the Bodoland agitation was instigated by the Congress side?
No, I would have sufficient evidence that they instigated them. And therefore they don't want to discuss with the state government also. They always approach the central government at that time. And central minister also, minister and other official also helped them for continue their agitation. RAW is not like that organization. Because probably know that before election they destroyed some file. And they dismissed the 2 RAW officials also. Then why they dismissed them?
It is not true, it is baseless one. I have been protesting these things. This is not true at all. And Mr. Mohanto, he has sent his words now. He himself has said that RAW has dissociated from APSU now. He said. And RAW did not associate us earlier also. We protested in yesterday's talk. He could not produce any document also. He charged that it is RAW spent 3 crores of rupees in APSU movement or like that.
No, unfortunately, these money that is spent or, these things are not documented. So you obviously will not have receipts or thing, but...
No. How it can be proved? This is not true at all. This is not true.
In this atmosphere of charge and counter-charge, a moot point remained. The tribals in Assam were alienated and a new dimension had been added to Assam's turbulent politics. The Bodo agitation directly affects only 1 Lok Sabha seat, yet it was obvious to the National Front government, which replaced the Congress in the centre, as the tripartite talks continued, that the solution could be found only if genuine grievances of the tribals were addressed to. Meanwhile, however, the Bodo leaders were adamant that nothing short of Bodo land was acceptable to them.
And our thing is very much clear, except Bodo land we are not going to accept.
Bodo land is the only thing that you're going to accept?
Yes.
And if Bodo land is not given to you?
There will be, it is a struggle.
For how long?
Continuously. Till it is accepted. Yes, we are ready to fight.
And how will you fight?
We'll have to menace.
Will you have violence?
Anything else?
Will you go underground?
Not that. Not that.
Will you take help of countries bordering India?
No. We don't have society.
So your fight will be within the Constitution of India and within the Constitution of
definitely. Definitely. We are very much democratic and constitutional. We are demanding only the constitutional provision of Article 2, 3 and 4 of Indian Constitution.
While the Bodo agitation captured the attention of the country and symbolized Assam's political dilemma, it put into background the issue of the tardy implementation of the Assam Accord. The political adversaries of the AGP